Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 15cx0002ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your keyboard is covered in oil, you're not alone. This can happen due to accidental spills or residue from your hands over time. If left untreated, this issue can lead to sticky keys, malfunctioning components, or even permanent damage to your keyboard. Thankfully, we can resolve this issue with a bit of care and the right tools. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and a replacement keyboard if necessary. To start, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them, taking care to keep track of where each screw belongs. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually situated near the top of the device, and you may need to remove some additional components to access it fully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After identifying the keyboard connector, carefully disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism. Now, you can remove the keyboard itself. There might be a few screws holding it in place, which you will need to unscrew. Once done, gently lift the keyboard out, taking care not to pull on any attached cables. If you have a replacement keyboard, simply place it in the same position and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the keyboard connector, ensuring that the locking mechanism is firmly in place. Now it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back panel carefully and press down until you hear the clips click into position. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, power on your device to check if the keyboard is functioning correctly. If everything seems in order, you've successfully repaired your oily keyboard. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a keyboard cover and being mindful of eating or drinking near your laptop. Regular cleaning with a microfiber cloth can also help keep your keyboard in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.